MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a 2023 Premier 250 Solaris. So this boat is a tri-tune, 25 foot in length. Up here at the bow, we do have our flip-up cleats, and then also our docking lights and running lights. We have the white pearl upper and the black panel below. And then on the railing here, this is also black, which really ties in the color scheme together as well. Walking towards the stern, we do have an electric bimini top up here. And then a nice area back here on the swim platform. We have our battery switch. And then also right here, we've got an outlet to plug your boat up and charge those batteries. We have the PTX 36 on here. So the center tube, you're gonna have an 80-gallon fuel tank, and then also a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're gonna start here on the stern and then make our way into the boat. This does have the RF layout, so you have your rear facing cushions back here. You've got tons of storage in this boat, pretty much under every seat, and they come up on a hinge. And then also here we have the mahogany teak flooring, and then the stone and then charcoal accent up here on the upholstery. And this pontoon does come equipped with a changing room. It pops up just like that, so there's a ton of space below. And then we have the upgraded sound system on here. So we have the JL audio, the subwoofer right here, so it's great sound quality across the boat. We have our captain and co-captain seating, both high back seats and do swivel and adjust. And at the helm, this is a raised helm. We have our flip up bolster right here too. So if you want to sit right here, watch what's going on behind the boat, it's going to give you a little bit more visibility. And then at the helm, we have our tilt steering wheel, audio controls, Simrad display screen, so it's going to help with all your engine vitals, chart plotting, navionics, everything's going to be super accessible up there at the helm. We also have our digital throttle and shift over there, and then our lighting package on here, so it's going to light up those speakers for you. All right, so walking into the bow here, again, we have lots of seating on either side. We have our in-floor storage, maximizing that space on the third pontoon. And then all of these pontoons do come with a cover as well. Again, this boat is built for entertainment. You've got room for 18 passengers, so tons of space throughout. This is located at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.